This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg salad with lettuce full guide. Start by boiling 6 large eggs for 10 minutes, then cool them in ice water to stop cooking. While eggs cool, wash and dry 2 cups of lettuce, chop finely and prep mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and pepper. Combine chopped eggs and dressing, fold in lettuce gently, chill briefly, and serve on toast or in a bowl. Boil eggs carefully to get the right texture for egg salad and lettuce. Place eggs in a single layer in a pot, cover with cold water by about 1 inch and bring to a gentle boil. Once boiling, set a timer for 10 minutes for firm yolks. Transfer eggs to ice water immediately, peel once cool, and chop or mash to your preferred consistency before mixing with dressing and lettuce. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little tree's black ice to keep your drive fresh, perfect for taking your egg salad picnic on the road. I've put the link and other deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. Mixing and seasoning are where your egg salad becomes memorable, so taste as you go. Combine 3 tablespoons mayonnaise with 1 teaspoon mustard, then add salt and pepper to taste and a squeeze of lemon if you like brightness. Fold in the chopped or mashed eggs until coated, then gently fold in chopped lettuce at the end to keep it crisp. Chill briefly so flavors meld before serving, and adjust seasoning if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.